Friends, I just have one question for you. Are you ready to tackle the snackle? That's right, we're going to do a snackle box today. So I am doing a review of this 9-compartment tray that you can use as a snackle box like we're going to do today. But it can also be used just to, if you are meal prepping, I could see, keeping the different ingredients like your onions and your peppers and whatever, your mushrooms and all those things separate and in the refrigerator. I could see that being so handy just for meal prep for the week. I mean, how nice would that be? Or maybe you're going to have a pizza night and it's going to be a build your own pizza and you want to prep stuff ahead of time, and you could put your cheeses and your pepperonis and your mushrooms and olives and all the things in there so that all you have to do is pull it out when your guests arrive and you have your pizza party. I would like to thank Dazzlery, the sponsor of today's video, for gifting me one of these 9-compartment trays. My first one, I'll be honest, I had another one come and it broke, and so they then added extra packaging and made sure it was super safe. So I want to say a big shout out to them. Thank you for making sure that I got the product in a nice working order, and so I just wanted to say that. I only have the one to review. However, in the link down below that I'll share with you, I think that they're running a special where you actually get 2 of the 9-compartment trays. Well, let's go ahead and finish opening it up, because I always usually like to do an opening, but I wanted to just kind of tell you why I had already opened the package is because when I went to film this last time, I had a corner that had gotten beat up. Sometimes that stuff happens in shipping, but they're a great company, and if that happens to you, all you got to do is get a hold of them and they'll take care of you. So let's take this. I'm going to take this, and we need to stop and wash it up real quick, and then I'll come back and we're going to tackle this snackle box, because I want to make a nice snack box that I can take with me, because we're going to be traveling, and rather than stopping at the convenience store and spending a ton of money and getting junk foods that we really shouldn't be eating, we're going to have healthier options. So just in case you are wondering, this is made of a BPA-free plastic, and everything you see here is freezer safe. So if you want to maybe put together some sort of a frozen fruit parfait bar, you could absolutely do that too. So here the lid is really neat, super ergonomic, and it fits really nice in my hand. There is a rubber seal all the way around so that if you do put this in the refrigerator, it will not, your odors from your other foods will not transfer, or if you accidentally drop it, it's not going to spill. So let's go ahead. And so I really like that we could fill them individually if we want. So maybe I'd want to make, just put yogurt in these, and I want to just travel with them like that so that I can share and then have a yogurt bar or something. So I put my trays in here, but maybe I only need 6 and I have something long I want to stick in there, like maybe some beef sticks or something. That would work really well, and you don't have to use all 9. And that's what I really like, is that you can kind of mix and match and make it work to whatever you're doing. But today I thought it would be fun to go ahead and just put this together just like this. We'll start out with some crackers, and then some nuts of choice, and then pepperoni, we love snacking on pepperoni. I don't know, what are What are some of your favorite snacks? Let me know down in the comments below. What kind of things do you like snacking on? And then I have some grapes here. And I like to leave them, I mean, you can go ahead and rinse them and everything, but I like to leave them on the cluster until I'm ready to eat them. Otherwise, you know, they seem to go bad faster if you don't. So I'll just take what I think we will snack on. But I'll go ahead and take those off just because if we're, you know, out and about, I don't want to have to deal with the stems. And then we have a third kind of grape. If you didn't know, I've been going through some sort of a kick with wanting to eat grapes. So lots of grapes. And then we'll go through kicks of eating like oranges, and we'll just have a ton of oranges, like the little cuties, or it's hit and miss on whether or not we get the kinds we like in the bigger ones. And then I think we need a little more protein, so I've got these mozzarella balls. And I'm going to grab some of these. These are just so fun and handy to have. Mozzarella, I think, goes so well with the pepperoni. We are huge pickle fans, and I thought today I would get some of these sweet gherkins. Those are kind of a fun treat for me. We'll put a few of those in there. And then sometimes you just want something a little sweet and, you know, peppermint or something like that. I could see putting chocolate in there if you know that it's not going to be in the sun or anything. So it's okay to give yourself a little sweet treat too. And we will snap this up. And looky there. It is going to keep everything in place. I can really rock and roll with this thing, and everything stays where it needs to be. And it's going to be so handy. And I can imagine if you had, you know, several of these, you could stack them up and carry multiple of them, because the handle actually goes flat so that you could stack, you know, something else. Here, let's see if I can find something. There, I could stack something flat right on top of it, and you can see the handle does not catch, and so that would be really handy for traveling and taking to, you know, a sports game or something. I know this is something that I'm really going to enjoy, especially on those times where we travel to go pick up my granddaughter, and I could have some of her favorite treats. I could have some of the farmer's favorite treats. I can have some of my favorite treats. You know, I could take out maybe some of these things, and I could put some juice boxes in there for her. And this is just going to be super handy for that. And if you don't know, lately, about once a month, I have been taking snacks to church with me. And so I can see this being something really easy where I could serve like a vegetable tray or a fruit tray or something like that, and keep everything kind of separate and not worry about all the juices kind of, you know, because sometimes when you travel and you have to prep things ahead of time, you know, your strawberries or your watermelon especially will develop all these juices, and this way this could, you know, kind of stay contained. Or, you know, if I have other things that I want to serve but I don't have a container, you know, say I go buy some store-bought donuts, you know, because we splurged, but I brought the fruits because I thought, oh, that would be nice. Let me show you what I think we could do with that. So say we're in that scenario where I buy some store-bought muffins or something, you know, maybe I'll bring some fruits and muffins, but I don't have a really good serving container. I could take these out and I could display them and have my fruit or veg or whatever I have, and then I could take my store-bought items and put in here and have an extra serving tray at the location I'm at. So I can see that working in that way too. Let me know down below what things that you like to snack on, what things that you would put in your little Snackle box. How would you use it? What other creative things can you think of how you would purpose this? I mean, I'm excited just to have this tray like this. I can see myself, you know, carrying a dozen muffins or, you know, I can use this by itself too. So I'm really excited to be able to have this and have the opportunity to review it. And if you think it's something that you would like to just check out, please follow the link down below where you can see more about this product. Thanks again. We'll see you next time at the Inquisitive Farm Wife. Bye for now.